Hello guys and welcome to my video. So today I will show you some trading shots with explanation. So let's start first of all. So first of all we need to determine the main trend, and we can see here the main trend is downtrend. As you can see, it's down, 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 then up, then down, then up, down. As you can see, we will focus on lower or small higher. Let's see. So I will draw the support and resistance. I will put here as support. Here a support, here a little support becomes a resistance after a break of this candle. So here I will go for a lower. Here I go for lower because, as I said, this is a broken support. Here it made a rejection on it, so it's a verified it's verified zone. So let's see what will happen. As you can see guys, it's an ITM. So here I'll go for continuation. So it's a downtrend, and this confirms the how to say, this confirms that the this candle will go down again because it's powerful. How to say, it's this candle shows that the sellers still strong over this trend, so highly probably to go down. There is, so if this candle have like a long tail here, means that buyers exist, but there is no buyers here. It's bald candle. So highly probably that this candle will finish red. Okay, green, little green. Okay, I'll go for higher. I gone for higher because this candle is like how to say, it's like a pattern. Yeah, let's see. It failed, this candle failed to go down, but it finished green. So highly probably this candle will finish green, then it will turn down, because we need to follow the main trend. As you can see, we have it's broken here. It's broken. So we wait until this candle goes here, this level. Okay, low. So this candle shows us the strong resistance and low resistance because it's long wicks. So let's see what will happen. High probably this candle will go down. If you see a candle with a long, like small body and long tails, that means the higher and lower are strong support and resistance. So bear that in mind. As you can see, it's an ITM, not time. So here, highly probably to go down. Continue the journey is like inverted hammer. It's a hammer, inverted hammer. That means that it will continue going down. That goes up, 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 then goes down. Sellers are strong, so highly probably this candle to go down. Let's see. If you don't have an account in IQ option, there is a link below. You can register and be a member, and you also can join our group of trading. So there I will give free tips and coaching. You can all enjoy. So here for my bad, I go 2 times. Here it goes bad. So highly probably this candle will respect this again, as all respected it. This, and this. Let's see. The market start ranging. Like you see, there is no trend. So thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video, so it will boost me to share more knowledge, share more videos, and you can all guys benefit from it. So here I will take, if it goes here, as I said, if it goes here, I'll go for higher because it's good. Let's see. This candle goes down but rejects up. In this point, you need to analyze why this candle rejected from that point. Okay, go down, down, down. Please. Okay, I'll go. It will go up, I'm sure. This zone, this small zone, both of those candles rejected on. If you extend this line, you will see it's simple. Like this one, not this one. Those both candles are in the same level. So it's good zone of resistance, support I mean. So highly probably this candle, better entry is here. But I'm sure this candle will finish green because it's rejecting here. Thank you guys again, sorry for this long video. So I hope you guys enjoyed and see you next video. Bye bye.